Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to replace our AC control on this Nissan Versa. So if your Nissan Versa look like this on the inside, it's going to be the same procedure of replacing your AC control, which is going to be located right here. And what we're going to do is, let me get the light right. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take off this black piece right here. To take it off, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. So I have a flathead screwdriver right here, and this part of the dash is soft, so you don't have to worry about damaging anything. Just take your time, try not to break anything as well, but it is soft, so we should be good. So guys, we're in the front. So what we're going to do now is get in here between the dash and the, just to get your finger in there, and you can pull on it and work your way around. Pull on it on both sides. Doesn't matter if you start from the left or the right, it's easy as that. And then once you get this out, it's gonna hook, so you're gonna have a hook. So what you gotta do is lift up the thing, and then the hook will come out. So this is what hook it, you gotta lift up, and this hook it also. So once that's done, we're gonna get our torque screws to remove this torque bit right here. So we're gonna see what size torque that is, and we're gonna remove it. So guys, it looked to be a T20 torque, so we're gonna remove one from one side. So we're gonna remove this one right here, and also there's one more over there. And guys, the thing you're gonna need for this one is a flathead screwdriver, a T20 torque, and a Phillips screwdriver. So we're gonna, after this, we're gonna get to the Phillips part of it. So remove the screw on both sides. Give you a close-up shot. So this is where the screw was. One was here, one was right there. So now what we're going to do is hold this on the edge, pull up on it, and it's going to come off just like that. What we're going to do, we're going to hold the brakes, put the car in drive, or bring it all the way down. So once you take this out, we just need to unplug this. So we unplug the cigarette lighter or the power outlet by just squeezing on this tab right here. That will unplug it from there. And then what we're gonna do next is take our Phillips screw and unscrew one, unscrew two, and then we're gonna take this part out. All right guys, so it's time to get to our Phillips screw. It's best to use a screwdriver with a magnet tip so you don't lose anything. Or you can set your finger underneath there to catch the screw as well if you want. But a magnet tip screwdriver is always the better way to go. Once that's done, we can hold on onto this and pull back on it. You're gonna have a clip right here. You're gonna have a clip right here. So kind of hold it close to the clip, pull on it, and then pull on the other side. And then it's gonna come off just like that. And now what we can do is unplug it. So with the car on and off, it doesn't really matter. So we have the part number. Try to get it to be focused, but I guess it's not. So to be honest, I don't know which number is it. It's probably 24 27500 4AT 4A. So that's probably the part number, or the other number on it is VPAASH 18C612ABA. So either that or the other one is the part number. I'm not sure. Alright, so we're gonna get this one. That one missing a piece, as you can see. Missing a piece, so one time for the thumbnail. So now we're gonna plug it back in. Once we plug that in, we're gonna start the car back up, and you can see, make sure the AC work, auto work, that work, turn it on, up, turn it. So that work, guys, and as well as the mood, it changed from. So everything is working good so far. So what we're gonna do is catch back our Phillips screw. So we're just catching back our Phillips screw on both sides. Alright, so once that's done, what we're gonna do is get this. We're gonna hold the gear stick, bring it all the way down. Plug back in our aux port, our power outlet, I should say. Line up the clip, then you can just kind of send it home just like that. Then what you want to do is get back your T20 torque. Get your T20 torque screw. So all you have to do with this, guys, is snug them up. You don't have to over tighten them. So put back that cover. And that's it, guys. That is the end of the video. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.